Next is Java operators. There are several types of Java operators, but in this video, I will cover 4 operators. First is the assignment operator. Second are the arithmetic operators. Third are the relational operators. Fourth are the logical operators. The assignment operator assigns a value to a variable. In this example, I have a variable name, equal sign, then expression. Sometimes a person may say variable name, but most of the times people say variable for short. There are times a person may say expression, other times a person may say value. All of those terms are used interchangeably in Java. The purpose is to store data in a memory location, so that data can be used later in your program. Arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Addition is a plus symbol that adds a value on both sides of the operator. The same symbol is also used for joining strings. We saw this example when printing to the console. Let's go back to Eclipse. The first print statement shows plus amount plus for gas plus year. These plus symbols are used to join the string written in red with the variable. The second print statement shows plus outcome. This is known as string concatenation. We also see the assignment operator 3 times when assigning a value to year, amount, and outcome. Subtraction uses a hyphen symbol that subtracts the right operand from the left operand. An operand is an object manipulated by an operator. Multiplication uses an asterisk symbol for multiplying values. Last but not least is division, which uses a / symbol for dividing the left operand by the right operand. These are the 4 main arithmetic operators. In addition to these 4 operators, Java also has a modulus operator, which uses a percent symbol to divide the left operand by the right operand, then returns the remainder. For example, 5 modulus 4 will return 1. 1 is the remainder of 5 divided by 4. The modulus operator is no big deal because most projects do not use this operator. However, we use an increment operator, which increases the operand's value by 1. This operator adds 1 to the value. That's why we see 2 plus symbols. A decrement operator decreases the operand's value by 1. We can use the increment and decrement operators as pre or post. Pre-increment and pre-decrement places the plus or minus symbol in front of the variable name. Post-increment and post-decrement places the plus or minus symbol after the variable name. The difference between pre and post is pre-increments and pre-decrements performs their operations before using the variable, while post-increments and post-decrements perform their operation after using the variable. Let's take a look at a couple of arithmetic operators. at test, public void, demo arithmetic operators. Let's assign a value to total by using the addition operator. Int total equals 3 plus 4. Then print the value. Sys out. What is the total of 3 plus 4? Run. What is the total of 3 plus 4? 7. Let's use the pre-increment operator. Int increment total equals plus plus total. Then print the value. Sys out. What is the new total after incrementing 3 plus 4? Let's run. The new total is 8 because 3 plus 4 equals 7. Then increment 7 by 1 equals 8. This is similar to 7 plus 1 equal 8. Next are the relational operators, which are used to compare values. There are 6 operators that verifies the relationship between the left operand and right operand. Equal to verifies if both operands are equal. In math, we use one equal symbol, but in Java, we use 2 equal symbols for equal to. Not equal to has an exclamation point and one equal symbol to verify if both operands are not equal. Greater than has a closing angular bracket symbol that verifies if the left operand is greater than the right operand. Greater than or equal to combines 2 symbols, the greater than and equal to symbols that verify if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. Less than is an opening angular bracket that verifies if the left operand is less than the right operand. Less than or equal to combines 2 symbols, the less than and equal to symbols, to verify if the left operand is less than or equal to the right operand. Let's demo the relational operators. At test, public void, demo relational operators. This time, we are going to assign x the value of 5 and y the value of 25. Compare both values by printing is 5 equal to 25. X equal to y. We use 2 equal symbols. Relational operators always return a Boolean value of true or false. Let's write another print statement. Is 5 less than 25? This time, I use the values directly rather than using X and Y. An error will show up if we do not surround the variables or values with a parenthesis. The error states incompatible operand types, string and int. The string operand type is written in red. Is 5 equal to 25? While the int operand type is X that assigns a value of 5. Adding a parenthesis around X and Y informs the compiler we are comparing two int types. Let's run. Is 5 equal to 25? False. Is 5 less than 25? True. Next are the logical operators. Logical and, logical or. Logical and has two ampersand symbols that return true if both operands are true. It also returns false if one operand or both operands are false. Logical OR has two vertical lines that returns true if one operand or both operands are true. It also returns false if both operands are false. Let's go back to Eclipse and demo logical operators. At test, public void demo logical operators. Assign 10 to X and assign 100 to Y. First, let's check the logical operator. Logical and operator. Sysout. Do you know if 10 and 100 is greater than 50? X greater than 50 and Y greater than 50. Are both operands true? No. So this statement will return false. Now let's check the logical operator. Copy and paste and operator. Then modify the statement. Or two vertical lines. Change and to R. Are both operands true? All we need is one operand to be true, and this statement will return true. Run. Do you know if 10 and 100 is greater than 50? False. Do you know if 10 or 100 is greater than 50? True. That's it for understanding Java variables and operators. You can download the presentation and the Java code at tinyurl.com. tinyurl.com/JAVABARAOPERATORS.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.